Hello everyone and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Today we will build a basic contact form. So navigate over to your form tab and click new form. Now we already have our new form. Just click on the blank form. After that, you can rename this whatever you want. For now, let's just go with C-test, basic contact form. And then for the form description, this can basically be whatever you want. Although, do make sure that it's descriptive enough for the form itself. But this is just a test, so we can just let it go. Now, there we go. So now we have a blank form. The first thing that we're going to want to do is put a section field right there. And then we can rename this into something like about you. This is going to be the title of the page itself. So yeah, that's crucial. Then, this is going to be a basic contact form, so let's just go with basic fields for now. Name, that's needed. Email, mm-hmm, that'll work. And then another one, maybe phone. There we go. And then a last one for something like a paragraph field. Yeah, paragraph field should work for us. Okay, good. Now let's fiddle with the field settings for the name. The name fields can be whatever you want. Just click them down there. This is obviously going to be required. And then we're going to do the same thing with email. Um, this is going to be required as well, although you should also enable email confirmation. And then for the phone, yeah, this can be optional. And then, hmm, for the paragraph text field, we can rename this to something like additional information. Yeah, that should work. And then once you're done with that, you're pretty much done actually. Now all you really need to do is to click save, and then now you have a form. See you guys next time. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.